Sorry, my last video, the camera stopped rolling, but this is part 2. So I'm shaking the slime. I believe there's a little bit of liquid in it left. Oh my gosh, that stinks. So, Anessa, go. So I have the little fake pots again. I'm going to drain it. I don't know if you guys can see that liquid pouring out, but I had it pour out. And it smells now. So I'll just put that one aside. So it is a little bit more stretchy than it was earlier because of that. But it's practically the same. I mean, you can it's just I haven't played with these slimes in a little while. So it is like that. But what? Sorry guys, my little sister. Don't tell anybody. Don't comment anything that she's bad or anything. She's not. But she accidentally got slime on the rug. What? When the doll's in the trash, you're gonna know what Mom said.
What in the trash?
So it's a little bit better.
What in the trash?
Your doll.
What doll?
The creepy one that nobody likes.
Oh.
Go get it.
No. Okay.
Oh, the one that's in the room. So it's not as good as it was before. I mean, like it's a little bit stretchier. So, alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Turn on that notifications. Alright, bye.